Hey guys, happy Vlogmas Day 8. I have to say that the first week of Vlogmas pretty much had me complete all of my yard activities. So I really don't have much to do. There'll probably be a couple of things that I need to touch on as we continue through the Vlogmas season, but I have to be honest, I really don't have much. So today, this is me sitting at my computer working, and I am in a onesie because I work from home. And I'm sorry about hitting the microphone. I forget that it's there sometimes because I'm not used to vlogging. I'm usually like doing something, but I work from home and I'm a technical writer. So pretty much I'm in front of my computer working every day. I mean, honestly. So I did get some feedback that one person said, well, it's bad that you can't do things at night because you're gardening. I recognize that, but also I have to like work. So I try to take breaks and like go outside and do things, and definitely if I'm doing like yard work, I definitely have to be outside to do that. But if it's anything indoors, then I can kind of push it to later in the day so that I can do my job. So I've been a technical writer for 15 years. So I'm telling my age. I don't mind telling my age. 40 plus club. Get in, Jesus. That was terrible. But yeah, so I have like a little office space set up in my guest room, which is where I am right now. So it's not messy. It's, got my sad little plants that I kind of talked to y'all about the other day, and some nice looking plants. So I'll give you a quick view of that. So here's the view of some of the room. And there's my co-worker who take naps all day. He really is not doing much. He literally takes naps all day. And here's me. I'm sitting at my desk. You can see all of the plants that were there. And there's a huge TV in front of me. And I used to watch TV like throughout the day, but honestly, the majority of the day now, it's just silent, which I love. I can't even lie. If you find me at home, I'm like in comfy pants or like comfy clothes, and it's me and my dog and watching a gardening show. I actually found this one couple. I can't remember their names. I'm gonna have to go back through my history, but they were hilarious. So that's what I'm doing. I started, I'm just talking right now, and I'm gonna stop because I need to get up and it's almost the end of the workday. But I wanted to start recording before it got too dark because it's getting dark earlier now. So there's that. But I found a couple yesterday who were absolutely hilarious on YouTube. And the majority of what I watch is YouTube now because like regular TV can be so triggering. Between regular TV and social media, I just had to find curated visuals, right? Things that I'm going to take in, it needed to be more curated so it can not be such a shock to my system when I see it. And so what I found for a lot of that was YouTube. I can say, oh, I only want to see things about bumblebees, and then I'm seeing only things about bumblebees. I am hardcore into the ASMR of people mowing the lawn. So I'll watch that. My friends know it too. They're like, that's so weird. I don't care. So that's pretty much it. Like today is going to be super chill. I am going to go downstairs because I am desiring carbs and comfort food. So today I am making French onion soup, which is my absolute favorite soup. So flavorful. And turns out I have all of the things for it except for sherry. I looked on Google and it said that I can substitute dry vermouth. So I do have dry vermouth, and so that's going to be my substitution. So we're going to go make some French onion soup. Y'all come along. Okay, so this is the vermouth I have. I knew I had some. This is the bar. It actually lights up. Let me see. Okay. Oh, if I could get the light on. There it is. Ah. I'm gonna turn this back off because I got what I needed. I'm switching over to voiceover here because while I was preparing my French onion soup, I was listening to some music, and I don't want to take the copyright hit from YouTube, so I'm just going to talk through this portion. This is about 5 pounds of onions that I purchased from Costco. And what I was doing was just cutting off the tops and the bottoms and then throwing that waste away. So cutting off the tops and the bottoms, trimming off the outer skin. Yeah. And then I had to rinse my hands because I did not want to be a teary mess, which ultimately is what happens if you're cutting this many onions. But I'm doing a rough chop of them so that I can use my Cuisinart to thinly slice them, because I was not going to thinly slice 5 pounds of onions with a knife. Thank goodness for the right tools for the job. So just doing a little straightening up. This recipe that I used to make the French onion soup, I got from allrecipes.com. It had 180 plus views and it had 5 stars, so I figured it would be pretty tasty. I did make a few changes. So as I mentioned before, it calls for sherry, which I didn't have. It says you can use dry vermouth as a substitute, which I didn't have that either. I had sweet vermouth, but that's okay. I used that. So in my large pot, it called for a 1/2 cup of butter, 2 smashed cloves of garlic, which I still chop them a little bit just to bring out more flavor, the 5 pounds of onions, and this is the crazy part. It does call for a 1/2 cup of thyme, which I put quite a lot of fresh thyme because I couldn't find my dry thyme. I found it later. It also calls for 1 cup of red wine, which I used a Bordeaux, and 1 tablespoon of sherry. Then as far as the seasonings, it only was requesting a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. I don't know whose recipe this was. I could guess, but I'm not doing a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper to season anything. As I grew up, if you're not seasoning, you're not seasoning. So I put quite a lot more seasoning in there, and I think it tastes delicious. So in addition to the salt and pepper, I added a little bit of Tony's, because Tony Sachet, never been going wrong with that. Now coming up right here, we're about to hit my FAFO moment. So you see the bottle of Bordeaux there. I decided, in addition to putting it into the pot, I should just taste it. And that is why you're getting the Vlogmas Day 8 video this morning, because sis was out. This took me out. So two glasses of that, and I was twirling around the kitchen. So lesson learned. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.